Hello. About 15 minutes ago I finished picking this Axa Clinch padlock. It's still a little bit warm, but I spent some quality time with my Dremel, and now I think I'm able to gut it, and it's probably safe to say that this lock will never secure anything ever again. So now we can see what's inside. Make some room and get some tweezers. Well, this ring was securing the lock, and well, you see there's some kind of, it's almost like a circlip in there that was inside the housing, so I had to remove the material around it to get it out. So let's put it here. There's a lot of grease in this lock, so I'll have to clean this up later. Well, that's a surprise. The first disc is this one, and I think there is actually, but before I do that, let's just have a look. As you can see, there's a lot of grease in there, so I'll have to do some cleaning afterwards. There you can see the sidebar, and there is the gate, and if, where's the key, because that should work still. Then you can see that when all the discs align, the sidebar can enter that groove and the lock is picked or opened. And if you try to turn the core, let's see if I've got it. Maybe I can use this. If you try to turn the core without, you can see the sidebar blocks all rotation. Well, let's get these discs out. Yeah, there was probably enough room for that. You know what? I'm going to put them on the back of this tray, because otherwise my nice mat will get too greasy. Okay, this was the first, the let's say retaining disc. The first disc, oh, and the spacer, and there's actually, it seems, what looks like what could be a false gate in there. This thing is drenched in grease. And I think I like this. Everything is sticky. No false gate on the second disc. Okay, now I can see this one should go like this. I'm trying to keep the orientation in which they were in the lock. Not that the lock will ever work again, but just looks nicer. Another spacer and a third. Everything is sticky. Yuck. One day I'll have a nice disc detainer tray. Think it's time to invest. They sure like their grease in the Axa factory. This is just gross. It's hard to get everything out in the right order because it's all sticking together. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. Let's see what else I can get out. Sidebar. Drenched in oil. That's about it, I think. Housing will only turn if the shackle is in the correct position. Well, what a mess. What a mess. Look at all that grease. Well, that's one knock destroyed. Let's have a look at some of the discs. The first disc, I thought this was this might have been a false gate at first, but it isn't. It's on the wrong side to be effective. All the discs, this is the, except that one, all the discs look like this, just round with one gate for the sidebar. So let's show the keys and that rubber thing. And this is the sidebar, which is just a brass rod. I'll bring the camera a little bit closer so you can have a good look at what's inside the Axa Clinch padlock. Nothing special, just a lot of grease. Have a nice day.